Hello student, in this video we talk about WordPress block editor. So log in your WordPress and then you go to settings, and in settings click on writing. From here you choose your block editor, right, and then allow user to switch editors, yes or no, depend on your demand. Or you want to allow, then check on yes, and you want to not allow to switch the editors, then check on no and click on save changes to save your changes, right. So we go to our post to create a new post to use our block editor. So our block editor is open. From here you can edit your title. So I write a title, junk classified in Karachi. And here you write your paragraph. Latest job in Karachi. I write my paragraph, and from here if you want to increase your font size, and then click on medium, and from here you click here to customize your font size 26, and from here you can create your links color. So first we create a link, govt jobs, select the words and then click on the link. So type your URL, gutenbergwordpressblocks.com, right. Create my link, https gutenbergwordpressblocks.com, right. I write my link, and from here if you want to open this link in a new tab, so you check on it, and if you want to it is a no follow backlink, so check on it. If you want to it is a do follow, so it is unchecked, and it is a sponsored link and someone paid to you for this link, so then you check on it, right. So click on it, and from here settings, click on settings to see the settings option, and from here we change the link color. Click on it and the link color will be changed, right. From here you change your background color. From here I change my background color will be changed, and from here I change my text color. The text color is changed, so I want to black, right. The text color also is changed, and from here you change your dimensions, right, padding and margin, and there are more options, and the main option is here. So toggle the block editors, click on it, and from here you choose your paragraph, headings, list, classics, all the things, cover, videos, button, table of contents, latest comment, RSS feed, page list, search option, take cloud, repeat visitor, star rating, right, navigation, site title. So first we choose the gallery, GALARY, gallery, GALERY. So click on gallery, and the gallery is open. Select images, select image from media library, and we select some images, right. We select 3 images and create a new gallery and insert gallery, So the gallery is inserted, right? Want to choose a cover, so from here click here or click here and then choose cover, COVER. If you want to search some phrase, so you just write this phrase and click on search. The search term will appear here. So click on cover and select media for cover. From media and choose your color cover image. So I want to choose this color cover image. Click on it and write your cover title. Right, I write my cover title. Right, I choose my pic, my gallery, and from here you click here and you see the new option. You also choose from here the blocks and you also choose from here. So click on it, you see the same option. From here you can choose your HTML code. So from here I choose the WhatsApp button, WhatsApp. So click on it, the WhatsApp button will be appear, and click on settings. From here you set your mobile number, right? Add your mobile number or message. If you want to open it in a new window, so check on it. It is the background color. You can choose this color. The background color will be changed. You also choose it. It is a white, and you also choose it, right? The default color is the WhatsApp default color, right? And from here you click on it and you also choose another option, and you also choose this option from here. So we choose the latest post. From here you click on latest post and then close it. Your first latest post is here, and then you click on it and then click on settings, right? And from settings you click on your post content. If you want to see some post content, you click on post content. If you want to minimize your content, it shows the 28 words on it, right? If you want to display the author name will be displayed, right? And if you want to display the post date, the date will be displayed. There are many options. If you want to see only specific categories, list the post only of a specific category, you write just your specific categories here. Jobs in Karachi. So only the post will be visible of jobs in Karachi categories. You can choose multiple categories from here. Just write your categories and press enter. And you also list your specific author post here. You choose your author and all the posts will be visible of your specific categories and your specific author. So it searches the post. So the post is visible, and from here you increase the number of items, means the number of posts. So click here, it will be show the latest 20 posts. From here you increase the post numbers, and from here you also change the view, grid views. It's show in grid views, and from here it's showing list view, right? And from here you choose many more things. From here you choose the tables, right? Click on tables and the table will be visible, right? You choose select your columns. If you want to select 10 columns and select 8 rows and then create on table, and your table will be created. Click on your table and then click on settings, and the table setting will be visible. Fix with table cells, header section, right? The header section will be created. Footer section, the footer section will be created. You also change color for choose color and you change your type, means the color, change your font size, medium, small, large, XL, change your border color, padding, click on it and the border color will be changed, right? There are many things. Also just click on it and search paragraph, heading, quotes, verses, means galleries, images, audio, media and text, slideshow. So our post is ready. You also check it for more things and just click on publish and then see the information and then click on publish. Post is published. Now click on view post. So it is our post, the grid view, and it is our column, right? So it is this option to use your block editor. We also made inshallah new videos about block editor. So thank you for watching for this video.